When you develop presbyopia, you start to have difficulty with looking at your phone, with reading, trying to read texts. And this is something which develops from midlife and gradually progresses. It can be corrected with reading glasses or even a contact lens, or there are surgical solutions. For example, replacing the natural crystalline lens with a special type of intraocular lens, which will give you good distance, middle and near vision. It is universal. Everyone will develop presbyopia as time goes by, and it's due to the stiffening of the natural lens within the eye, reducing its ability to focus on objects close to. So, for example, you may find that you have to put glasses on when you're cooking or even eating. At Grange, we can offer you several solutions for dealing with presbyopia, because you'll become dependent on glasses otherwise. So, for example, you can have presbyopic laser treatment, lens replacement surgery, all of which are aimed to reduce your dependence on reading glasses. These solutions for presbyopia are very important because for the vast majority of patients, they've never worn glasses throughout life, and all of a sudden in their mid-40s and early 50s they start to become dependent upon them, which really inhibits and interferes with their lifestyle.